for you, which I think you should do. Another opportunity. This a Nitrograph Testnet. Nitrograph Testnet just launched today. It's just launched today, not more than up to 4 hours now, not up to 3 hours now. So if you are seeing this video right now, you still have a very big chance to join it right now. You can even join it at any time, you can join it, but right now it was just launched today. So let me show you let me show it to you so that you will know that it's just launched today. You can see the date right here. You can see the date right here. So you can see the date on my screen. You can see the date right here, and you can see the information from the Nitrograph Testnet task are now available. So it just launched today. So if you are seeing this video right now, take this opportunity and start right now. Check the description of this video. You will see the link to join the airdrop, the testnet, and start doing all this right now. Start doing all this. This is what we'll be doing. If you need Nitrograph code, if you need the code, I will drop it in the comment section or the description of this video. Or you can follow me up on my S account, which is on my Twitter account. I will drop it there. You can ask from me to get boost. You will get boost when you use one to register. So firstly, when you join Nitrograph, if the first thing to do is to connect your wallet up here. Just click on connect. If you are using phone, you can do it on your Kiwi browser, or you can do it on your OKS. So on your OKS Web3 wallet. So just do it there. So after you connect your wallet, if you are using phone, if you are using mobile phone, install Kiwi browser, download Kiwi browser, and download all those extensions that you need, like MetaMask or Rabi Wallet, etc. like that to do your connection. So if you are using laptop, you can, or any of your computer, you can just, everything will be here for you. All you need to do is to just install your MetaMask extension or Rabi Wallet extension, OKS extension, etc. like that. Now connect your wallet up here. When you do everything, connect your wallet. Your wallet will be connected to your EVM wallet. So the first thing you will see your wallet like this. You will see the page like this, and your mining here, your neutral hourly will be two neutral. For your own will be two neutral. Mining rate is the rate at which you can mine neutral. So your own will be two right here. Two. It will be two right here. But when you do some other stuff like that, it will increase to four. You can increase it to six, eight, like that, go up if you can. So keep on doing it. That, so the next thing to do is to go down to click here, click claimed, claim your daily nitro. Just click claimed. So when you click claimed, the next thing to do is to just go down a little. Then here, under the ongoing task here, under the ongoing mission, you are going to see everything. Let me click on complete. Let me show you everything. So these are the things you will see there. Make sure you complete everything. When you do all this, make sure every day by day you also still come to under that mission to claim 20 XP daily. 20 XP daily. Connect your S will give you 25. Connect your follow neutral on S will give you 10. Connect your Telegram will give you 25, and like their S post will give you 10. Join it the neutral Telegram will give you 10 also. Comment on their S will give you 10. Connect with to their Discord will give you 25. Get your role in Discord. So we give you 10. I've already done all this, all this, all this, all this. So these are the one that I have not done right now. This one, because they have already distributed their OG to people. So they have already sent OG role to people already at the early stage before the testnet on the Discord. They have already shared it to people. So if I click on it, claim like this, you see that it tell me that I don't have OG right now. So, but don't worry, that one is not an issue. So let's so those are the things you will need to do. Those are the things you will be doing. So in case you can have up to 400 plus SP right here, 400 point SP right here. Then you can unlock studio here. You can unlock the studio here, Nitro Studio here. With if you have up to 450 SP, you can unlock the Nitro Studio here and start grinding from here already again. You can still complete your initiate missions to unlock the studio, create content and share it on your socials to earn the biggest airdrop. So you can do that here also on the studio. So if you have up to if anytime you have up to 450 SP, you can come to studio and keep on grinding more from there. So in here you can check where you are in the leaderboard. There are a lot of people right now because it's just launched, but there have been a massive lot of people right here. You can check where you are in the leaderboard from 1 to 500. You can check it right now. You can check your role right now. Recently, I was around this place right now, 199. But as you can see right now, there are a lot of people that are joining right now and they are doing their task, go, going. You can say I am now at this area. But the more I keep on doing my task, the more I will rank up. You can see a lot of people are in the same 155 points. So by tomorrow go onward, many people will lag behind. Many people will lag behind. That is, many people will not will not be active on it. So if you are active, you can keep on climbing up on it. So it is not all about first come. This testnet is all about who can do it till the end. Then you earn your reward on it. So guys, this is the information I have for you. This is the update I have for you today right now. And I hope you can take this opportunity right now. I hope you can take it this opportunity. If you like and find this video helpful and you want more of this video, please don't forget to like this video, comment in the comment section to tell me your views or everything you want to know. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So guys, check the description of this video to get the Nitro code. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.